In the previous MRFA tender, all aircraft manufacturers were allowed to send their proposals, which took a longer duration to carry out scrutiny of proposals that were sent in 7,000-page documents. According to a media report, the Indian Air Force plans to be more specific in the 114 MRFA program about its requirements, that might cut out some aircraft manufacturers, so that a deal can be concluded soon. Aircraft that have already been vetted in the previous MRFA will not go through full technical trials, and instead a limited testing of the new systems added in the aircraft will be conducted. Dassault Aviation's Rafale F4 standard remains a frontrunner in the MRFA, and it will further cement its position if it bags an order for 26 Rafale Marine from the Indian Navy. TATA Boeing Aerospace Ltd Hyderabad has rolled out the first fuselage for Indian Army's Apache attack helicopter, and the fuselage was formally handed over to Army's Director General Aviation, and it will now be dispatched to Boeing facility in Arizona for final assembly. TATA Boeing Aerospace Ltd is the sole supplier of entire fuselage for all Apaches delivered globally. The Indian Army had ordered 6 Apache helicopters in 2020 under an $800 million contract that includes the sale of 180 Hellfire longbow missiles, 90 Hellfire 2 missiles, 200 Stinger missiles and 30 mm cannons and ammunition, and the delivery is expected to start by end of 2023. According to a report by Jane's Intel, Egypt's Arab Organization for Industrialization has confirmed a deal with Korea Aerospace Industries to produce the FA-50 advanced training aircraft at the Arab Organization for Industrialization factory in Helwan. Egypt will procure 100 FA-50 aircraft, 70 of which will be manufactured locally. The CEO of Israeli firm General Robotics has said that both the Indian Army and the Indian Navy have expressed interest in procuring the Pitbull remote-controlled weapon station. The Pitbull is designed to mount 7.62 mm or 12.7 mm machine guns, 40 mm automatic grenade launcher, electro-optical sensors and other payloads. It features new smart artificial intelligence that maintains constant full awareness of its surroundings, and it can also be outfitted with soft and hard kill measures for counter-drone system missions. Hindustan Aeronautics will start delivery of first batch of low-rate initial production light utility helicopters in March 2023, and the Indian Air Force and Army Aviation Corps will receive 2 light utility helicopters each. HAL is manufacturing 12 light utility helicopters, and the delivery will be completed by 2024. HAL is also developing a prototype of naval variant of light utility helicopter for the Indian Navy that will be offered for ship-based trials. Titagarh Wagons Ltd held a keel laying ceremony for 4th diving support craft that is being built for the Indian Navy. The Navy has ordered 5 diving support craft that will start induction by end of 2023 onwards, which will provide diving assistance for ships for underwater repairs, maintenance and salvage. Brazilian manufacturer Embraer has said that it is studying the possibility of setting up an assembly line of A29 Super Tucano in India in partnership with Indian companies, which has been offered to the 3 armed services, Indian Coast Guard and Border Security Forces. The A29 can be equipped with 250 and 500-pound laser-guided bombs, AGR-20 advanced precision kill weapon system and 50 caliber machine guns. The Indian Navy has signed an MOU with the SRM Institute to collaborate on artificial intelligence, data science, space communication and quantum analysis that will decide the course of future warfare, and training and research and development in these areas will be of mutual benefit to the Indian Navy and SRM Institute of Science and Technology.